Hi, my name's Dan Hill. I'll be conducting the Facilitate with Flair workshop with you next week. I'm looking forward to firstly running through a lot of the information about how our brains interpret information, how we learn, how we chunk our memory, and how we can use that as facilitators to better prepare our lessons and also engage our classes. The best feedback we get from running this particular workshop is around day 2, where you as a participant get to deliver your own training for a period of about 10 to 15 minutes. The feedback you get from the professional facilitators in the room plus your peers goes a long way to improving your skills and knowledge as a facilitator. It also gives you the opportunity to videotape your presentations so you can see how you sound, how you look as you're moving around within a group and facilitating. This sort of insight into your own behavior is not often captured in a workplace, so I really encourage you to take us up on that offer of videoing the session, but at very least gaining that feedback from the professionals there and your peers is incredibly valuable. To get the most out of this workshop, participation is key. So I do encourage you to come with that mindset, share your opinions, share your experiences, and ask lots of questions. That'll benefit not just yourself, but everybody else in the room. So between now and then, think about a subject you might be able to teach for that 10 to 15 minute period. Don't spend too much time thinking about the details of it, because what we're going to introduce in day 1 is hopefully a whole suite of new techniques to approach training in a more engaging way. So don't come completely prepared, just come with an idea, and then we'll flesh out that idea in the class together. See you next week.